We're gonna start here with this pole that was reinforced. You can see I'm shaking on it. There's no movement. It's nice and reinforced now. We have new door hardware that's all keyed alike. We have quick set with a brushed nickel. This key will rekey them once the tenant moves out. New key there. You see the new key here. And new key there. This is 870 or 870 outdoor. Okay. Whoa. Careful. Here's the job that the cleaners did. Here's the blinds. Just a little bit of dust there. A little bit of dust there. Yeah. I guess that's what you get when you pay $65. Pretty clean, somewhat clean. Yeah, those are clean. But they missed the top. Here's the vanity. This was not cleaned. Look at that. Okay, that was clean. They must have just used the bottom drawer. Look at that dust. Right there. Yeah, they didn't even clean it that well. They cleaned them, but not as well as you would think.
I fixed this one. There was no gasket on it. I fixed this one. There was no gasket on it. So, no. And then, we cut the bathtub too. The other way. Yep. It's recut. Okay. And then
Let me run the top.
that in my
Okay. Oh. Rigo fixed these vanity doors. Yeah, fixed. Okay.
The swamp cooler with reconnector from this T. Brand new all the way to the roof. Brand new. All this connection is brand new. Okay.
All right.
Préndelo todo bien. Nomás había una monedita más ahí.
The washer is running good now.
Look.
There was some extra coins that Rigo pulled out. Now there isn't any coins left. Good.
Y aquellos grandes les echamos extra pegamento.
Okay.
A los de la luz también.
¿El swamp cooler tiene uno también?
¿Vale?
¿El swamp cooler tiene uno?
El swamp cooler, ya, donde yo le puse la pipa roja esa,
Ajá.
ahí te le eché de extra silicone para que
Silicone
no haya,
ahí?
Yeah, para que no haya leak.
Okay. Looks like someone tried to break into the property here. You can see these screwdriver indentations here. Rigo says that it wasn't like this when they installed the chaps, but yeah, someone tried to break in. You can see the screwdriver marks here. Huh? Here's the new locks for 850. There.
Smart.
And here, smart key. The new water main, faucet, and the security lights. ¿Trabajan? Oh, and the lights work according to the handyman. And we got the new quick set knobs here. Okay.
Ahí le estuvieron hurgando, mira.
Pero no el mismo,
No mucho.
no mismo como el otro.
¿Se abre?
Ujú.
Lo cerraste, ¿no? Sí, ya me puedes pasar al pedido.
Rafa, vamos a pasar bien rápido. Ahora los foquillos. Oh, ¿cómo vamos a ver los foquillos, verdad? So, it's hard to see all the lights in there. Well, there's 3 there. Okay, vamos al próximo. 3 lights here. 1, 2, 3. There's the dining room ceiling fan. This one's already on. This one's running. 3 light bulbs in the first bedroom. Laundry room light. Bathroom light. Second bedroom. Third bedroom.
Nice.